Hello my dear students, once again welcome to your online class. Today in this class we will learn how to find the minor and the cofactor of the elements of a given determinant. So to understand this, I consider a determinant with the elements A11, A12, A13, where the first number denotes its row and the second it denotes the column. So similarly I consider A21, A22, A23 and the third row A31, A32 and A33. So coming to the minor of the element A11, so if you are asked to find the minor of A11, minor of the first element A11, it denotes the first element where the element is from the first row and from the first column. So to find this, what do I do is I eliminate the first row and the first column. So after eliminating the first row and the first column, whatever the determinant is obtained, that is known as its minor. Like here I have eliminating the first column and the first row I have the determinant A22, A23, A32 and finally A33. Similarly, if you are asked to find the minor of this one, that is the central element, that is the element that belongs to second row and the second column. So the minor of A22 will be equal to simply by eliminating the second row and the second column. Once I eliminate the second row and the second column, what are the determinant left? The four elements at the four corner. So it is A11, A13, A31 and finally A33. So that is how we calculate the minor of the given element of a determinant. Now coming to the cofactor. So what does the cofactor resemble is the cofactor of the given element is the minor of the given element but with a specific sign. So we know that in a given determinant the sign is like this is minus, plus and minus. So the if first element is minus, the other will be the plus. This one is minus, this one is plus. Again if this is plus, this remains minus, plus and minus. So it will be very like it is not convenient, it won't be so easy to calculate the sign of each of the element. So there is a specific way to find the sign of a given element. Just as if you are asked to find the cofactor of A11. So it would be simply, it would be minus 1 to the power, the sum of its row and the column. So A11 belongs to the first row and the first column. So here I write 1 plus 1 into the minor. Minor is A22, A23, A32 and A33. Similarly, if you are asked to find the cofactor of A22, so what do I do? So the cofactor of A22 will simply be equals to minus 1 to the power. Now you see what should be the power here? So the position is its row is second and column is second. So here it will be 2 plus 2 and then the remaining is the minor. A11, A13, A31 and finally A33. So that is what the cofactor and the minor of the element means. So generally if Ij, the I denotes the row and J denotes the column. If this is the minor of the given element, if this resembles the cofactor, then the cofactor of the element is given by minus 1 to the power I plus J. What is I? I is the row and J is the column into Mij. What is M? M is the minor of the given element. So using this simple formula, we can easily calculate the cofactor of the given element once we find out its minor. So we will try to understand this with the help of one question from your book. So here I have taken question number 3 from exercise 5B of your mathematics textbook. So the question tells us to find the minor and the cofactor of the element 3 and minus 2 of the given determinant. So in the given determinant, I find the position of 3 and minus 2. So let us first try to find the minor of minus 2. So what is the position of minus 2? The row is first, it belongs to the first row and the third column. And what is the row and column of element 3? This belongs to the second row and the first column. So now coming to the minor. So minor of minus 2. So what do I do? So the minor is simply I eliminate the row and the column that the minus 2 belongs to. So in that I obtain the determinant is 3, minus 1, 4 and 5. Simply, so the value is 3 5 is 15 minus 4 1 is minus 4. So it would be 15 plus 4, which gives us 19. Now second one is the minor of, I find the minor of now 3 will be equals to, now the minor of 3 will be the value of the determinant obtained by eliminating the second row and the first column. So once I eliminate the second row and the first column, I am left with 0, minus 2, 5 and 6. So what is its value? So simply the value is 0 into 6 is 0, minus of 5 to is minus 10. So simply it will be 10. So now coming to the cofactor. Now to find the cofactor, I need to find the appropriate sign for both of the elements. So therefore cofactor of minus 2 will be equals to minus 1 raised to power. Now I find the position of the element minus 2 belongs to. It belongs to the first row and third column. So it will be simply 1 plus 3 into, what is the minor? Minor is into 19. So it will be minus 1 to the power 4 into 19. That simply gives me 19. Now cofactor of 3 will be equals to minus 1 to the power. Now I try to find the position of 3. So 3, it belongs to the second row and first column. So it is 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1. Yes, 2 plus 1 into the minor is 10. So this gives me minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2. So it gives me minus 1 to the power 3 into 10. So it gives me minus 1 into 10, which will be equals to minus 10. So this is how we find the minor and the cofactor of each of the elements of the given determinant. So I want you to complete this exercise 5B so that in our next class we can move on to the next topic of determinant. Thank you.